Everyone thinks the best-selling electric height adjustable desks are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Vekin 63 Electric Desk. Let's kick things off with the Vekin 63X 27 6-inch large electric standing desk. Priced at $199.99, it caught my eye with its spacious surface and bestseller badge. If you want a solid desk that helps you switch between sitting and standing easily, this is worth a serious look. That means you can easily shift your position throughout the day, which is crucial for reducing that sedentary lifestyle many of us are used to. Plus, it features a quiet motor operating under 52 dB, so you won't disturb your surroundings while adjusting. Stability is another highlight. The strong steel frame remains solid even when fully extended, ensuring your monitors stay put. Here's why this matters for you specifically. A sturdy desk means no more wobbling when you're typing away or gaming. With over 1,900 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating, it shows real customer satisfaction. Now, some people complained about the assembly being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, if you follow the detailed instructions carefully, you can set it up in about 10-30 minutes without too much hassle. So it's not a deal breaker if you're willing to take your time. This is perfect for you if you have multiple monitors or need a spacious setup. Skip this one if you're short on space though, since it's on the larger side. For the price, it's a great investment in your health and productivity. Now, if the assembly issue bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Vekin 55 Electric Desk. Next up is the Vekin 55-inch electric standing desk, priced at an affordable $109.98. This model caught my attention for its compact size while still offering the same great features as its bigger sibling. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on quality, this is worth checking out. Similar to the larger version, this desk boasts an electric height adjustment from 28.3 to 46.5, allowing you to easily switch from sitting to standing. It's perfect for keeping your energy levels up throughout the day. The quiet motor ensures smooth transitions without disruption, which is truly a blessing during video calls or meetings. With its sturdy carbon steel base, the desk remains stable even at full height. That's essential for anyone who has a lot of gear on their desk. No one wants their monitors shaking every time they type. With 1,900 reviews backing a 4.6-star rating, it's clearly a favorite among users looking for a reliable workspace. One downside some users mentioned is that it may not fit larger equipment as nicely. But here's the thing, if you're working with a laptop or a couple of monitors, it's totally sufficient. It might not be the best fit for a fully loaded gaming setup though. This is perfect for you if you're working in a smaller space or just need a solid desk to get by. Skip this one if you have multiple large monitors. For the price, it's a fantastic deal. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prioritize easy assembly. Product number 3, DUMOS 40 Electric Desk. Up next is the DUMOS 40-inch electric standing desk, priced at just $65.94. I was genuinely surprised by how affordable this one is, but it still packs a punch. If you need a compact desk that won't break the bank, this is definitely worth a look. It adjusts from 28.7 to 46.5 quietly, making it a great choice if you want to stay focused while switching positions. The programmable memory presets let you save your favorite heights, which is a nice touch for convenience. One of the best features is its hefty construction. It supports up to 176 pounds, so you can trust it with your gear. With a 4.2-star rating and around 1,200 reviews, it's clear that people appreciate it. Some users did find the size a bit limiting if they're used to bigger workspaces. But honestly, if you're in a tighter setup or just want something simple, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a student or working from home with limited space. Skip this one if you need a lot of desk real estate. For under $70, it's an incredible value that gets the job done. Now, if the size was a concern for you, the next desk might just solve that issue with its larger surface. Product number 4, Ergonomic Electric Desk. Now let's take a look at the Ergonomic Height Adjustable Electric Standing Desk, priced at $99.99. This one stood out to me because of its sleek design and solid build. If you're after a desk that's both functional and stylish, keep listening. The Ergonomic desk allows you to adjust its height from 28.35 to 46.46, making it easy to switch postures. It's equipped with a powerful motor and memory presets, so you can save your favorite heights and get back to them with a simple click. This feature is super helpful if you share the desk with someone else. Stability is crucial, and this desk comes with a heavy-duty alloy steel frame built to last. It can handle up to 100,000 lift cycles, which is impressive. Plus, it's made with low VOC materials, contributing to a healthier workspace. With a 4.5-star rating and over 11,400 reviews, it's a clear winner among users. One downside is that assembly can take a bit longer than expected. Some users found it a bit complicated. But here's the thing, if you're patient and follow the instructions, you'll have a sturdy desk you can rely on. This is perfect for you if you value aesthetics and stability together. Skip this one if you prefer a quick assembly option. At this price point, it offers great durability and style for your workspace. Now, if you're looking for something with effortless assembly, the next desk might catch your eye. Product number 5, Ergonomic Electric Desk. Finally, we have the Ergonomic Standing Desk, priced at $94.98. This desk caught my attention for its elegant design and ease of use. If you want a desk that's simple to set up and looks good, this one is definitely worth considering. The Ergonomic desk features one-touch height adjustment from 28.3 to 46.5, and you can save 3 customizable memory presets. The stability is impressive, supporting up to 176 pounds, which is great if you have multiple devices on your desk. What surprised me was how quiet the operation is, running under 45 dB. That's ideal for home offices where you need peace and concentration. The desk has a solid 4.5-star rating with over 8,400 reviews, proving its popularity. However, some users noted that the assembly could be a bit more straightforward. But honestly, most people found it manageable with the included manual and video guide, so it's not a major setback. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish desk that's easy to set up. Skip this one if you're looking for a very large workspace. For the price, it provides solid value and a nice design for any office setup. To wrap it all up, we've covered a range of electric height adjustable desks. The Vecan models offer spacious designs, DUMOS is great for budget-conscious buyers, Ergonomic brings style and stability, and Ergonomic focuses on ease of use. Each one has its strengths, so think about your specific needs before making a choice. To wrap it all up, we've covered a range of electric height adjustable desks. The Vecan models offer spacious designs, DUMOS is great for budget-conscious buyers, Ergonomic brings style and stability, and Ergonomic focuses on ease of use. Each one has its strengths, so think about your specific needs before making a choice.